Hello, aspirants. Welcome to C4S, a mentorship platform which is specially designed to help students ace major competitive banking exams like the NABARD, RBI, CB, SIDBI, ITI, and recently it had launched its AIC crash course of academic year 2025. And in this sessions or video, we will be basically dealing with the English analysis of the year 2025 exam of which was taken on 15th April. Now, before moving on, just we'll study about what is the overview of exam structure, the topics asked in the descriptive and the objective sections, and some tips for effective preparation for the students who are going to prepare for the upcoming AIC exams. But before getting into detail of all such topics, you can log into our channel. You can email us at c4scourses@gmail.com for any of your queries for any of the banking exams. You can also visit our website. Not only that, we will be connected to you on the Telegram channel, especially for English section of competitive exams. Now, as you all know, the AIC sections of English consist of two major papers, the objective and the descriptive part. The objective part for the general is of around 25 marks, and of actuarial and IT post consists of 10 marks. Now, the descriptive of all the three posts is of 10 marks. So, in the objective sections, which carries 25 marks, as given in the insights by the students, questions related to sentence correction, or you can say an error detection, were asked. Exactly the questions will be reviewed to you or will be added to you in detail in the upcoming videos. Some questions related to filling the blanks was asked, and some RC questions was asked. Even as into the insights given by the students, some word swap questions was asked. So as you all can see, sentence correction questions, fill in the blanks, and RC are a hot favorite for the students appearing for the banking exam. So you need to study on these topics specially to get yourself well prepared for the objective sections. Now moving to the descriptive part. So one more thing before starting that, now as the students have rated this paper from easy to moderate level, because not much difficult questions was asked and it was easier for students to attempt these type of questions. In the descriptive, a very important paper of the English sections, and in fact the most scoring paper, two types of questions, essay and précis, was asked in the examination. The essay consisted of three topics. Now, related to the topics, one thing I need to notify is that these topics were discussed on the portal when we were doing the AIC crash course exams. That time, the practice questions were given. So, we can get a judgment that a practice of these types of questions really helps you to get a good hold of the content of what you're actually going to write in the paper. Now, the first topic which was asked was related to solar energy in rural India, its importance despite the challenges. Solar energy, a very familiar and a very gaining topic, in fact, for the students who can write a lot in such type of topics. And most of the students have attempted this questions because a lot of content can be actually written in this topic, a very general topic picked up. Solar energy in rural India, what you have to write was the importance it is carrying in the lives of the villages and how it's impacting the villages and have changed their facilities, changed their way of living despite the challenges of the usage of solar energy. The second topic which was asked was the importance of insurance. And I had previously, in fact, emphasized that as it is an AIC paper, a very important topic related to insurance can be asked. So you need to know all from the root till the tip of this insurance, the policies, the plus, the negatives, everything related to insurance should be in your pocket when you know that AIC exams will be conducted. So here just the difference was you need to add insurance to agriculture, its importance and the benefits it has. The third topic also was nothing a difficult one, internship and its benefits. But according to the insights as given by the students, majority of them have opted for the first topic. Now moving on to the précis. A very difficult situation for the students to write, but as on the Telegram channel, a regular practice was given, a practice questions was given to the students. They were very well, they could handle this Pressy part very well. The Pressy part, the passage asked was how traditional dishes are bringing back the nostalgic taste and reinventing the flavor and taste, bringing all the childhood grandma memories back. So as you can see, I have picked up this article. The same article was asked in the exams. Like what it was dealing about, it was more about dealing about food, a craving which we cannot at all resist, and it is tied to memories, emotions, culture, everything. So what we have to do as we look ahead, expect to see more creative reinventions of nostalgic dishes, and the return of these dishes proves that food doesn't have to be just one thing. It can both be a comforting throwback as well as an exciting new experience. Whether it is a childhood snack with a gourmet twist or a traditional dish presented in a fresh way, this trend is nothing going to change, and it is all about celebrating the past while making it even better. So the students can very well precise it due to the practice we had given to the students. A regular practice was given on the Telegram channel. So you can just make a benefit of these, and you can subscribe to our Telegram channel. Okay. Now that was what the content of AIC exams had. Now this is another one add-on for the students who are going to prepare for the upcoming AIC. Somewhat most important thing which you need to remember is the time management. Okay. Time management is a very crucial factor when related to banking exams, especially in the writing part, in the descriptive part, because within that allotted time, like the descriptive paper was of around 30 minutes. So within that allotted time, you have to write an essay, you have to write in Pressy, and it literally takes time if writing on a keyboard. For that, what you need to do, you need to have a good hold on the keyboard keys so that you can complete your paper within the allotted time. Take care not to have your spelling error, grammatical error. Avoid all such things while writing for the descriptive part, because at the end your content matters, but the most thing that important is your grammar. So focus your total skills on grammar, having a good hold on all the basic sentence formation. Everything should be under your pocket while scoring good marks in the descriptive. That is why it is said have a smart strategies, because at the end everyone is writing the paper, everyone is putting the effort, but students who are able to ace it perfectly are the ones who are having the smart strategies with a positive outlook. What is important is your positive outlook. The more confidence you have, the better preparation you make, and that is how it's better to run fast than lag behind. So start from today and get yourself well prepared with confidence, dedication, and meditation. So that was all for today's sessions. For more such videos, you can log in to our website and connect us at c4scourses.in. That's all for today's sessions. Have a good day.